New feature alert. The Standalone Copilot experience for Power BI will be enabled by default for all tenants where Copilot is already turned on, starting September 5, 2025. What is the Standalone Copilot experience? Also known as Chat with Your Data, it's a full-screen AI-powered chat interface that helps users explore and analyze data across reports, semantic models, and Fabric data agents they have access to, just by asking questions. What does this mean for you? If your tenant admin has enabled Copilot, users will automatically gain access to this experience and other features powered by Azure OpenAI. Want to opt out for now? Simply toggle the setting on then off in the admin portal before September 5th. This signals your preference to enable the feature later, avoiding the automatic rollout. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.